Make sure you have the Node Wrangler add-on activated by going to Edit, Preferences, and under the Add-ons panel, search for Node Wrangler and activate it. Under the Shading workspace, I add a new material and rename it. Use Shift-A to add a Musgrave texture node. I use Shift-A to add a noise texture node. I connect the Musgrave texture to the noise texture vector input. I select the Musgrave texture and use Ctrl-T to add a mapping and texture coordinate node. I change the texture coordinate output from generated to UV. I'll just use the default UVs that Blender provided. I connect the factor output of the noise texture to the base of the principled shader. I increase the scale of the Musgrave texture, and I decrease the scale of the noise texture. I also increase the detail and roughness of the noise texture. I select the 4 nodes and use Ctrl-J to join them. I right-click on the frame and rename it. I use Shift-A to add a color ramp between the noise texture and the principled shader. I change the black color stop to a brown. I change the white color stop to a dark gray. I use Ctrl and left mouse button to add a third color stop and change it to an even lighter brown. I change the X and Y scale on the mapping node. I use Shift-A and add a second color ramp. I connect the noise texture to the second color ramp. I connect the second color ramp to the roughness of the principled shader. I can now use the black and white color stops to change the roughness. I use Shift-A to add a bump node. I connect the noise texture node to the height of the bump node. I connect the bump node to the normal input of the principled shader. I change the strength of the bump node. I select the 3 nodes and use Ctrl-J to join them. I right-click on the frame and rename it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video about making a procedural wood material in Blender, then you're probably interested in 3D modeling or texture art. So if you're interested in those topics, you may enjoy this video. Have a good day.